A person's name is the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Dale Carnegie. Using a person's name is the best way to have deeper chemistry that you'll both remember. When you meet someone, try to sound out their name so it's a memory peg. Usually, it's a person's first and last name. People feel important if you remember their name and use it. Here are some easy ways to remember. My name is Bill. Crouse. Note the pause part punch. My memory peg is picturing a dollar bill floating out the window of a cream-colored house. Get it? You can also do it with occupations such as carpenter, farmer, or smith, like blacksmith. Picture them working this job in your mind. You can make it part of a song that you can sing their name. Just some tips on how to remember anyone's name. Use that person's name to strengthen your conversation and make your first impression greater. Please like and share this video, and to see more YouTube videos, visit Recruiter in your computer. Good luck, job seekers!